Confused about which welding robot to choose? Come take a look at ZMDE. This welding robot features a compact design, making it highly portable and easy to move around. It adapts effortlessly to various working environments. With user-friendly operation, significantly boosts welding efficiency. We provide comprehensive after-sales support, door-to-door delivery, included training, maintenance service, and a 10-year warranty. Lifetime repair coverage. Purchase with confidence. Contact us for more details.